Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Twinklez, and in today's video we're doing another unboxing from Shein. So if you want to know what I have in my package, please continue watching the video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload another video. Please follow me on all socials. All the links will be below in the description, and check out my Amazon storefront. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, this is the package. Yeah, this is the package, and I'm going to cut it open with the scissors. Let me if I can see. Well, I'm sitting on my bed trying to get this open, so I'm gonna cut it. So it's a little box with nail supplies. So it's a nail kit. This is it. So I'm taking pictures for the thumbnail. So there's a plastic right here, so I'm going to cut it open and see what's inside. So these are just nail supplies for school. So you guys know I'm doing cosmetology at school, and these are just simple nail supplies that I'll be needing. Guys, may smell the money, man. So I'm gonna show you everything one by one and tell you what they are. Okay, so this is how it look inside. No, I'm not in droplets. So this is, whoa, this is how it's looking. Alright, so I'm gonna take them out one by one and show you. So this is a dappen dish. So you use this to add anything, like you put your money in this, you can put your acrylic powder in this, and acetone or any little liquid that you have to throw out to use, you can put them in this. So that's the dappen dish, and this is the monima. So you know monima or acrylic liquid, because not everybody knows it name monima, but it's also called acrylic liquid. And I have this little pouch, but I'm leaving it for last. So I got some polishes, some gel polish. So this said gel UV lead soak off. So this is how I look. And I got this one. It also says gel soak off. Oh, so this is the color, guys. Yeah. And let me take over the other one. So this is the color of the other one. It's giving nude. And this is one more of them. So let's see what color it is. This one is red with some sprinkles inside. Don't know if you guys seen it, but that's how it look. And this one is a base coat, and this one a top coat. There's one more. It's a polish, so let's see what color it is also. and it's pink. See? Okay, let's see what else is inside. So we get 2 fingers. You know, you can practice on these to do nails. So yeah, we got 2 of these inside also. And we got some nails. So I'll insert a picture of the item on the screen. So guys, I got 3 acrylic brushes inside. So let's see, I got a number 4, a number 10, and a number 16. So I didn't know I was going to get these, but these will come in handy as well. And I got some nail art stickers that I can add on the nails. And these are, you know, these are for doing nail forms. So like if I can add it on right here to you know, form out the acrylic pattern on my finger. And what's this? I could have never lamp this so liquor. I don't know what kind of liquor lamp this. What kind of small lamp this? Me behind. Look on the size of the lamp, guys. Me never yet see this in my life. What kind of lamp this? How will this work? I may have to set it up or something. So weird there. Me rotted. Look at liquor. I never yet see something so in my life yet. Look on the little, let me see. Right now focus. Look at the little lamp that I got. But I expect something bigger, you know, but it's small. So I have to buy one different one because this is too small for me. But it will definitely come in handy for now, and I got a little charger for it. So that's the lamp, the UV LED lamp. It's small, doing it, guys, but I think it might help me for now until I can get a bigger one. You know, these things are costly. So let's see what else is inside. And we got some brushes for doing nail designs and all those things. So yeah, these will be handy as well. They will help me out a lot because I was going to buy some of these, you know, separately, but since I got so much, I'm going to take back those off the order because I have these. And we have some small acrylic powders. So I have these ones, and these are some sprinkles that you can use also. So 12 of them come in this and 6 come in this. And there's one more with some sprinkles also. And I got, these are acrylic powders. This is white. So this is white acrylic powder. It don't look white though, but them say a white, so it may work with. And this one is clear, and this one is pink. So I got 3 acrylic powders, and these are for nail designs. So these are sprinkles. And in this one, so you know, the box empty, guys. Like, I think I did have get more things than this, but it's not a bad buy, you know. So let's see what's inside of this. So we got this. I was gonna add this to order also. I already have 2 of these, and I needed one of these, so that's good. And I get a you know, brush for the dust. And these are nail polish removers, but they're in some small sachets, you know. And we got some rhinestones. And we have these also. These are for doing basic designs on the nails. And I got 2 toe separators and a emery board and remover pad. I mean, I think it's really important to me, but okay. And I got 3 little glues that I don't think I'll be using, and that's it for the unboxing. I don't have anything else in the package. I thought I would be getting more things, but apparently not. The image them tell me lie, you know, cause me I expect more things, guys. But I think these will come in handy for now. So yeah, I'm going to insert it on this screen, and I'll add the link below in the description. So if you feel like you want buy the professional nail system, so it's a nail kit by the brand Morovan. Y'all can just go below in the description and click the link and just order. I'll also add it to the Amazon link, so y'all can check it out. And we got some little manuals here also. This is how they teach you how to use the lamp, use the glue, and how to pick up the perfect bead and such. And this is another manual also. So guys, yeah, that's basically it, and you've reached the end of the video. If you like what you see in this video, please comment below and like the video, share, subscribe, and hit your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload another video. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next upload. Bye.